Hello everyone, in this video I will compare the first class products from Japan Airlines and Korean Air. Both flights were on a Boeing 777-300. The Japan Airlines flight was from New York to Tokyo Haneda, and the Korean Air flight was from Washington Dulles to Seoul. Check out my video library for the full review for each flight. I will be using the same 5 criteria I used to rate my flight reviews: aircraft, seat, meals, crew and service, and in-flight entertainment. Let's start with the aircraft. Both flights were on a Boeing 777-300. Even the seat configuration were pretty much identical. However, Korean Air's cabin looked newer and brighter. For that reason, I choose Korean Air as the preferred aircraft. Next, let's take a look at the seats, starting with Japan Airlines. The seat is very wide and comfortable. The seat controls are intuitive and responsive. There is even a satellite phone that can be used for a fee. And plenty of storage cubbies. The touchscreen remote control is very helpful because the in-flight entertainment screen is a far reach. This cubby is designed to store cell phones, and the power outlet is located inside. Now let's take a look at the Korean Air seat. It is also very comfortable, but not as wide as the Japan Airlines seat. It also has intuitive and responsive seat controls, a good amount of storage space, but it does not feel as roomy as Japan Airlines. If the comparison ended here, I would pick Japan Airlines as the best seat. However, Korean Air has an advantage. Sliding doors. I love the privacy we get with the doors, and for that reason I choose Korean Air for best seat. Both airlines offer great options for meals. On the left, you can see the Western meal I chose on Japan Airlines, and on the right, the famous Korean Air's bibimbap. For the main meal, I liked the Korean Air option better. Both desserts were delicious and beautifully presented. Even though I think Korean Air's main meal was slightly better, Japan Airlines mid-flight and pre-landing meals make me choose Japan Airlines for the best meal options. Let's compare the service and crew. This is a tough category to compare because both airlines offer amazing service and very friendly flight attendants. In this clip, you can see the Japan Airlines flight attendant preparing my bed. Japan Airlines crew was slightly more attentive, therefore I choose them as best service and crew. And the last category to break the tie is in-flight entertainment. Again, both airlines offered very similar products. However, I choose Japan Airlines due to their better selection of new movies. Let's recap my choices. Aircraft, Korean Air. Seat, Korean Air. Meals, Japan Airlines. Crew and service, Japan Airlines. In-flight entertainment, Japan Airlines. Both airlines offered fine first-class products, with Japan Airlines having a small advantage over Korean Air in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.